Hello guys, how you doing? You're welcome to my course, Building Banking Applications using .NET, Blazor, RabbitMQ, and SignalR. So the main purpose of this course is to teach you guys how to build a banking application that processes data in real time. And when I say real time, I mean instant messages and instant tracking of data that are being sent across all servers that we are going to be building for these applications. So if you have an API that you want to communicate with another API, we are going to use real-time technologies to do this communication. So for this course, I'm going to show us a flowchart that represents the architecture of what we are going to be building. So what we are building is like a mock-up banking system that is going to give us an idea of how the banking system works, and we can also use this approach in fintech industries. So looking at my screen, we have Bloombank. Bloombank has a middleware service, and this middleware service has different services: transfer service, create customer service, create wallet account service, and other services we'll be building inside the middleware service. We have the mobile application, which is a platform. The USSD is a platform. The web is a platform. The mobile application has a mobile database, and the web application also has its database. Same for the USSD. So all these platforms will be speaking to the middleware. So the middleware houses all banking operations and tasks. The middleware also has a database. So we are going to have four database, probably three, but yeah, we're going to have multiple database. But the middleware is the base of the bank. All right. So moving on from that, we also have some Windows services that are going to be running on our system. So for the Windows services, they'll be like background tasks that will be executing tasks for us without us having to call it. So it's like a background service that runs on its own. And one of the instances account profiler. So what the account profiler does is after accounts have been created on the middleware service, the account profiler profiles all those accounts on different platforms that we have: the USSD platform, mobile platform, and the web platform. But those accounts are not active until the user comes to activate the account on that platform. We're going to go through that process also. So speaking of real-time technologies, RabbitMQ is one of the common tools that we have currently for real-time messaging, and it's what we are going to be using for this course. We have all our platforms speaking to the middleware service, and the middleware service has a communicator that speaks to the MQ service. So the communicator is a messaging service that's also from our MQ clients. It's embedded in the middleware transfer service. So when users make transfer from the platform, it hits the middleware service, and the middleware service sends the message to the MQ processor, and the MQ processor, which is the transfer processor, processes that message, and then it will send email. That's we have an email processor that will be processing our emails, that is sending debit alert and credit alert to customers. So after processing the transfer, it sends the result of that transfer back to the platform, making it real time. So this is happening immediately. No one has to like, the only thing that's going to be initialized is the push, the transfer from the platform. The rest of the process is going to be real time. So that's why this is a real time technology based application. Um, Coming to the project. So I have project folder here. I have the customer portal, recurring jobs. I have shared library. Shared library is where we have some other mini projects and the database projects. And we have different APIs we are going to be working on. So guys, it's a very interesting course, and I wish you guys the best. See you guys in the next class. Thank you.